which holds about 1,000 cabinets in stock and ready to go. We have an 8,000 square foot facility, most of which is taken up by in-stock cabinets that customers take on an on-demand basis. We also bring in special order product that we stock for our clients. As you can see here, they may not need it right when it gets here, so we'll hold it for an amount of time. And then when their project is ready, the cabinets are ready on day one instead of having to wait for a special order to arrive. We carry a large assortment of trim, panels, and all sorts of accessories for all of our stock projects. We offer a wide variety of shapes and sizes, more so than is normal, just because we want to be able to fit every possible solution.